This is Elizabeth Smith-Meyer, and I'm going to talk about some of the features of Edpuzzle today. So this is a tool where you can assign videos to your students and have some accountability, and you know if they've watched the video. You can add assessments in there and voiceovers and all sorts of cool things. So it's free for teachers. It's free for students as well. They will need a join code, and they can sign in with Google. Once you get signed in, once you have classes, it'll take you to your classes. So here's an example of one of my classes. These are all the videos that I have assigned to them, and you can see here how many of my students have watched the video. And so I can see this, and then if I click on that progress button, I get more information. So clicking into my demo class here, I can see in the green that this person has 100% on the questions, and then it goes down there. So it grades my multiple choice questions that I put in as formative assessments there. It also tells me if they've watched it and what percentage they've watched. And then if I click on a student, it tells me specifically for that person how many times did they watch each segment. So it just gives me a lot of information as a teacher to kind of figure out, how are they doing? Did they understand the video? Did they go back and try again? And that kind of thing. So nice information and sort of that accountability and engagement piece that I can be watching there. So next I'm going to click on My Content, and My Content brings up everything that I have uploaded or created. We're going to just practice here. So if you click Create, you can upload a video from your computer if you already have a video, or if you want to find a video, click Create New Video, and then it will take you to some examples. You can also search here for ones that are already in Edpuzzle, and then there's lots of places that you can take a video from to create this content on Edpuzzle. So to edit a video, I'm going to click on that video, and it brings you to this editing screen. So up at the top, I can choose various things. So I can crop, and I can use these sliding bars down here to crop the video at the front and end. So if you have a YouTube video, for example, it's a lot longer than you want to use in class, that would be a great option for that. You can click on this, and this would be to really override the audio track is there. So it's just going to, if you see a video that you like the visuals but you don't like the audio, you could be the one to speak so your students could hear your voice. And then audio notes. So that's just something that you're going to put in. So you'd go down here and slide to where you wanted to put an audio note, and then you would click there and you would record an audio note for your students at that point. And then quizzes, and this is the one that I use the most with my classes, and so you can see I already have some quiz questions in this video. So what you do is you can either just play till you get to the part where you want to, or you can slide this and then click on the question, and you can write an open-ended question here, or you can write a multiple choice question there. And so then you can save that, and so your students, when they get to that point in the video, they will see that it'll stop, and they will see that open-ended question that they will have to answer. And the other option is just inserting a comment that they have to look at before they can continue on with the video. So when you're all finished, you're going to click this Finish button, and there's where it provides you the option to go ahead and assign it to one of your classes there. And here, this button, the superpowers, it really is prevent skipping. So that means that your students cannot just skip ahead in your video to the questions, that they have to watch it until they get to the questions for you to answer it. And then you can also give it a due date at that point. And once you've assigned it, it will appear in your class.